Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove noise from your audio or video background. So this is my playback. Let me just play it. Code CLI on VS Code. Really simple. Let me show you. And if you notice, there is a little noise, let's say. So if you want to remove this kind of noise, what you have to say, what you have to do here is you have to actually go for the export at first and then export it as MP3. So select audio here, uncheck video, okay? And let's rename it, let's say my voice, let's say. And select where you want to export it. So I have selected the place and now I'll click here export and there will be, audio will be export here in a specific folder. Here you can see. Now click here OK and go to that folder and go for the downloads and here I have actually exported. Now I have to go to the browser and then go to the Adobe podcast. So type Adobe podcast, okay? Here you can see Adobe podcast. And there is Adobe podcast. You can see podcast.adobe.com. From here, you can select enhanced piece directly. And you will come to the same page. Currently, I am. So, okay. So what you have to do, you have to actually click here sign in option. There will be a sign in option and then you just have to sign in through your Gmail account. Okay. I already signed in through my Gmail account. You can see. Basically I have created Adobe account. Okay. So you have to actually create here Adobe account and then you have to actually sign in through your Adobe account here. And you can do this for free. And the limitation is 1 hour per day. So if you have, let's say 3 or more Gmail, you can, go for 3 or more hours for a day. Okay. So for free and this is for free also. So you can choose it now, choose the file and select the file. Okay. My voice, you can see, click here upload and then it will be uploaded. Here you can see uploading and after that it will be removing noise, then enhancing. It will show all the step and there will be a download option. Okay. Here. And you just have to download this and then it will be downloaded. And I will show you all the process, but it will take too much time maybe. And sometimes it takes really short time. It depends on your audio length and also it depends on your internet connection also. Okay. And the time when you actually you are doing this. So make sure you use this when people actually used to go to sleep, because if you go for the, let's say, after evening, then maybe it will take too much time. But here you can see it takes literally few seconds to continue, complete this task, because now this is all about 9 p.m. in our country and maybe from 10 p.m. I'm from Bangladesh, so yeah, maybe from 10 p.m. the server will be very loaded, so that time maybe it will take too much time. For now, I will go click here download, then it will start downloading. And here we go. So it will take some times. I am going to actually fast forward the video and it will be downloaded. So you can see download is complete. Now I'm going to actually go for the media here and click here import to import the enhanced file. So here you can see extra name and that is enhanced. Okay, enhanced. So we're going to select this, edit here. Now drag and drop it here, or maybe you can click here in the plus icon and here you can see we have little gap here. So we are going to right click on it and close the gap. Now I'm going to actually click here mute track, so the whole track will be muted. And now if I play it, hey there, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how there is no noise, there is no extra sounds, right? So this is the easiest way to remove background noise from audio or video. Okay. Now you can boost the volume also. So keep it, not more than 6. Okay. Install Cloud Codes. All right. Now export it. Now you can select video, uncheck audio and rename it. Let's say any name. Okay. And then click here export, then it will be exported. And that's all. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video.